Uneven drywall seams can totally mess up the look of your walls, but fixing them is way easier than you think. So, first off, grab some joint compound and slap on a good layer over those uneven seams. Let that dry fully, which usually takes about 24 hours, depending on humidity. Then, get some medium grit sandpaper and start smoothing out the bumps and ridges. Don't rush this part because it makes all the difference. If you still see dips or cracks after sanding, just add another thin layer of compound and sand again once dry. Make sure you feather the edges so it blends seamlessly with the rest of the wall. Using a drywall knife that's at least 6 inches wide helps spread the mud smoothly without leaving lines. Keep your workspace clean and dust-free to avoid any rough patches later. Finally, prime the repaired areas before painting to get a flawless finish that looks like the wall was never messed with. One of the biggest mistakes with drywall seams is putting on too little or too much joint compound. The first makes cracks show through, and the second leads to a lumpy finish. Fix that by applying thin, even layers and letting each one dry completely. Another common issue is not sanding enough, which means your walls stay bumpy. Just be patient and sand until everything feels smooth to the touch. Lastly, many people skip priming the patched seams before painting, which causes paint to soak unevenly. Always prime to lock in the repair and give your paint job a uniform look. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making home repairs and improvements way less stressful for everyone involved.